Hi, I'm Neil with Diamond Mowers. Correct tooth maintenance on your Diamond Forestry mulcher is key to productivity. Today I'd like to show you some tips and tricks on taking care of your teeth. Your Diamond Forestry mulcher uses a case-hardened steel tooth, which will wear down and lose its sharpness over time. A sharp tooth cuts efficiently, like an axe, to slice through material easily, while a dull tooth bludgeons through material like a hammer, much less efficiently. Every day you should be checking the condition of your mulcher teeth to see if you need to sharpen, rotate in the holder, or rotate on the disc. Teeth that are worn are not only not productive, they create stress that could damage your mulcher or your carrier. Check the edges of the tooth, especially the points. The points of the tooth grab, slice, and tear material to create that mulch you're looking for. When the point and edges lose their sharpness, you can use a 4-inch angle grinder with a flap-style sanding disc to restore that point. Only sharpen on the inside of the cup, on these edges. This can either be done on the machine or removed and sharpened at your workbench. When the exposed points can no longer be sharpened, the tooth can be rotated within its holder. Remove the tooth, rotate it 180 degrees, and then reinstall. That way the points that were previously against the face of the disc are exposed. Over time, you'll see that the teeth located on the bottom of the disc will wear out a little more quickly because of contact with dirt or rocks or other things. You can increase the lifespan of your teeth by moving them around on the disc. Many contractors will place brand new teeth on the top side of the disc while moving those teeth to the perimeter. This is also a good time to sharpen or rotate the teeth to expose new points. And because these bottom teeth have the potential to wear quickly, especially on the outside edge on the bottom, take the teeth that are mostly worn out from the perimeter and place those on the bottom outside edge. Whenever you install a new or used tooth, always torque to 90 foot-pounds and check the torque again after a day's work to ensure it hasn't become loose. Since they don't see much for dirt or rocks, the teeth that are mounted to the underside of the deck shell are often worry-free for up to 1,000 hours and don't require much maintenance. Proper tooth maintenance will help you be more productive and efficient, lower the risk of damage to your equipment, and cost you less in the long run. For further questions, order parts, call our customer service department, or visit us at diamondmowers.com. Diamond Mowers, where you can demand brilliance.